Welcome to Grammar Practice English Course Online 49. Today's grammar points. Question tag or tag questions. Let's learn how to use question tags. What is a question tag? Question tags or tag questions are the short questions that we place at the end of sentences, commonly in spoken English. There are lots of forms. Let's learn the rules. When to use positive or negative. Negative statement followed by positive question tag. It isn't too late, is it? You don't know each other, do you? Positive statement followed by negative question tag. It is late, isn't it? You work together, don't you? What verb to use in the question tag? What to do with auxiliary verbs? The question tag uses the same verb as the main part of the sentence. If this is an auxiliary verb, have or be, then the question tag is made with the auxiliary verb, have or be. They have visited Paris, haven't they? We weren't aware of this, were we? This is not bad, is it? They had arrived, hadn't they? What to do without auxiliary verbs? If the first or main part of your sentence doesn't have an auxiliary verb, the question tag uses a particular form of to-do. Did, does, or do. Present, past, first, second or third person, singular or plural. I moved to Spain then, didn't I? He doesn't remember, does he? They travel a lot, don't they? We left early, didn't we? What to do with modal verbs, can, will, must. If you have a modal verb in the first or main part of your sentence, the question tag uses the same modal verb, can, will, must. They must leave early, mustn't they? She couldn't understand me, could she? They won't go by car, will they? He may leave, may he not? What to do with I am? Do be careful with question tags. In sentences that start with I am, the question tag for I am is aren't I? I'm European, aren't I? I am laid back, aren't I? I am learning fast, aren't I? I am improving, aren't I? Sentence structure with question tags. Question tags are very common in spoken English. Be careful when writing them. They must start with a comma and end with a question mark. When to use question tags. Question tags are very useful to ask specific questions, to ask for agreement when we already know the answer. Intonation with question tags. When question tags ask a specific question, they require our tone of voice to rise. This is called rising intonation. You were there, weren't you? When question tags ask for agreement, the intonation can fall, unlike with a real question. You agree, don't you? That's it for today.